had to prep, okay? And I'm trying something different, white on my eyelids so that my eyeshadow will pop later. But anyways, did you guys see the title? Oh my gosh, I got my Jeffree Star haul. Yes! Okay, so this is literally very small. So it's small mostly because I went on his website the day of the launch for this collection, okay? And I was like, the website was having some issues, okay? So I had to keep refreshing, blah, blah, blah. I knew it was gonna be crazy. So I was like in and out, in and out. Like I don't have time to shop for what I want, think about what I want, put it in my cart and go, right? So I literally got like 3 things, like 4 things, okay? So that's why I say it's a very small haul. Like I didn't have time to sit there and browse the website. It was like, I wanna get this in and out. So I have this palette because I'm not risking not getting it. So that's what we have. So anyways, this is my unboxing of the Jeffree Star collection stuff. What I got, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So excited about this, okay? So, and I'm like this because I do plan on trying it out. I'm not doing a makeup tutorial since you guys told me you're not here for makeup. I did do a little survey questionnaire poll thing, and makeup was not even picked at all. So you guys do not want to see my makeup, so I'm not going to show you. So anyways, let's get into this, what I got. So when you first open up, if you have not seen Jeffree Star Cosmetics, this is what it looks like. You get this, look at that, gorgeous. Okay, so that actually is a really cool look. Maybe I can imitate that look. It's pretty neat. But this is just the Jawbreaker collection. And this is it. That's it. That's what you're waiting for. Alright, so since this is the star of the show, let's go ahead and take a look at this beauty. That way I'm not sitting here looking like a clown for the rest of the video. So this is the Jawbreaker palette. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe that it didn't sell out. Like, I was kind of disappointed that it was still there hours later, that it didn't sell out. But you know, that just means that he was stocked very well. This is what the outer carton, uni carton, looks like. And this is the beauty that is Jawbreaker. So this is an amazing, amazing palette. And literally, I don't see myself using any other ones. Like, literally, I don't need any other palettes. Gorgeous. Yes. Now, after actually getting it, I see there's definitely a lot of reds and oranges, more so than what I noticed previously. But that's what she looks like. So, I am going to create a look with this. Then I'll be right back to finish this unboxing. Alright guys, that took literally forever, mostly because of the lashes and I suck at putting them on. I also have a watery eye problem that is just not going away, and it's just, I've re-put the eyeshadow on it like 5 times and it's just not working. So if anyone has a solution to a watery eye problem, please let me know in the comments below, because I would love to correct that because it sucks. But let's go over the colors that I used in this beautiful palette. I will say, other than the white primer that I put on, I didn't have to wet the brush or anything to get this amazing pigment. So for the outer corner on the top, I have Bite Me. I used a lot of shimmer shades. And then the Cotton Candy, which is amazing. Like, that pigment is, holy crap, wow, in the middle. And then I used Snack, which is the light shimmery pink on the inner corner on the top. So there is that. I also did use Jawbreaker as a little itty bitty highlight. You can't see it a whole lot because I don't know. It's there. And then for the bottom, I used Soaked, which is a vibrant blue. It looks really dark right now, but it is a really beautiful blue. And then I used the green Sour for right in the middle, and that wasn't really picking up as much as I would have liked, maybe because it's on the bottom, I don't know. But I did mix it with a little bit of Cute just to give it a little bit brighter of a pop. So that is there, and then I used, of course, Wow for the inner corner on that. So there is, I tried to use a lot of colors. So I really wanted to try out a lot of these. So I cannot wait to create some more looks with this palette. I don't know. So be looking forward to and be expecting a lot of colorful makeup looks in my future videos. So there is the look that I created with this palette. So now let's get into the rest of my haul that I did here. So the first thing we have is, this is the liquid. This is the Sugar Lip Scrub. Now this is from the Blue Blood collection. It's obviously not the neon color of this collection. I just wasn't feeling the sugar scrubs. Like it was pineapple juice. I think it was like a lemony one or something like that. But I don't know. Vanilla Mint from the Blue Blood collection was just really, I don't know. I was feeling it. There was a cucumber mint from this one, but I don't know. I wanted to try the vanilla one first. This is my first ever lip scrub from him, so that is awesome. It smells really good. It legit smells like vanilla. I don't smell as much mint to it, but that is going to be awesome to try. And then the only other things I got was just 2 lip products. So we have the Purple Urkel, which is the liquid velour lipstick. And then we have a lip ammo, which I've never tried those before, in Jawbreaker. So let's try these on and see what they look like. So the very first one I'm gonna try is the Purple Urkel, which is a lavender purpley color. I have a thing for purple lipsticks and purple lip stuff, so I don't know. It is my favorite color, so I don't know. Let's try this on and see what it looks like. Alright, so here is Purple Urkel. Now, it's definitely not as pigmented as I was hoping or thought that it would be. It is a beautiful color. It's almost like a pinky kind of color. Very, very, very pastel. So there is that one. And then next we have the lip ammo in the color Jawbreaker. And I just thought this would be a really cool topper. Pretty sure that's what it's meant to be anyway. But here is, look how awesome. Here is what this looks like. Look at that blue. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Alright, so I'm going to swatch it on my hand real quick. Again, very, very sheer, okay? And I believe it is meant to be a topper, because by itself I don't think it would be a whole lot. But there is, so you can't even see it on camera. Let's do it in a spot where you can actually see. Very, definitely a topper. Can you see that? Very, ooh. It's like that iridescent, like beautiful, shimmery, what's the word? Hollow. It's hollow. The holographic, iridescent. There's a word for it somewhere that I'm missing. But it's just beautiful. So I'm just going to put that on top of here. So you see the swatch of it by itself, which I think is totally wearable. But I am going to put it over top of Purple Urkel and see what that looks like. Alright, so this is it on top of Purple Urkel. And you can see the top of it is now purple. And you can definitely feel the grittiness of the glitter in this when you're putting it on and with your fingers. So I don't know, there's real glitter in it. But what do you guys think? It is kind of like a glossy effect. I don't know, I'm digging it though, and I think this is gonna be really freaking awesome in Halloween. During Halloween, it's gonna be awesome. So, my freaking eye, look at this shit. It's just a blank space in the middle, like it won't stop. That sucks so bad. All of my hard work just, oh well. Alrighty, well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, this little mini haul. I love this palette. I love this whole collection. The colors are beautiful, and I can't wait to do more stuff with it. So if you guys like it, give it a big thumbs up. And if there's anything else you want to see, let me know. And yeah, so if you're not already, make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos. Lots more good stuff coming up. I do have a hair video coming up. I'm not sure what that's gonna be, but that's coming up. So hair and unboxings and hauls, check me out. I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.